Hello friends, my name is Sanjay Singh and I'm your sales coach. Friends, today I'm going to talk about all the great Indian festivals, and do you know something? As salesperson, as professional salespersons, we have a specific role to play in each of these festivals that relates to our profession. Let's understand, the beginning of the year we have Baisakhi, or the harvest season, which is celebrated by different names in India. What do we do in Baisakhi as a salesperson? This is the time we need to focus on maximizing the prospect and suspect database with us, so that we can be mining this data into conversion of leads and business down the line. So remember, on Baisakhi, focus on how you can maximize collation of database into your system. Moving ahead, we are sitting at Ganesh Puja. Ganesha, Lord Ganesha, who brings the entire society together for 10 full days, especially in Maharashtra. What do we do on Ganesh Puja as a salesperson? Well, this is the time that I need to check on customer satisfaction index of all my customers and check out what is the customer loyalty that I'm working on. Because if I don't have loyal customers, I will not be able to reap the lifetime value of these customers. So on Ganesh Puja, 10 days holiday, I move around in the market, go and meet my VIP customers and my great customers, and kind of check out on the loyalty index of those customers for me, my product and my company. Having done this, I move forward and I'm sitting on Dussehra or Durga Puja. Now on Dussehra and Durga Puja, I focus on strategizing for my business, because this is the third quarter of the financial year and this is the time that I need to strategize. I need to understand how my competitors are faring. I need to understand how I do better vis-a-vis competition. So I need to focus on market strategy, sales strategy, and killing my competitors. So in the entire Dussehra and Durga Puja, remember Baisakhi? Identify all the Baisakis of your business. Identify all the evil spirits of your business and work towards a strategy so that you could kill them. And now you move forward. The festival of lights is sitting on Diwali. On Diwali day, what do you do as a salesperson? Of course, you go and say thank you to all your customers. Share sweets, share gifts with them, and say thank you to them from the bottom of your heart, not only in letter but also in spirit. This is the Thanksgiving time of the entire year, where you especially go and say thank you to your customers. And then you move on to a bigger festivity, Xmas. Santa Claus is in town and Santa Claus is moving around. As a salesman, I also become a Santa Claus and I go around, meet all my customers. Yes friends, this is party time, Santa Claus time. You call, you do all your annual award function, you do all your annual rewards and recognition of your salespeople, promotion, performance appraisal, all that you want to do good in this world. This is the time. You want to call your customers and recognize them for the wonderful business they have done with you. You want to give them some kind of awards and accolades. This is the time. Party time, Xmas. Moving forward, we are sitting at Holi, the festival of colors. And do you know, as a salesperson, what do we do on festival of colors? Well, this is the time of the year where you go and say sorry to all those customers that you have met during the course of the year, and for good reason or bad reason, for your mistake or for someone else's mistake, you didn't maintain the right relationship with someone. ऐसा होता है कि a lot of times we end up spoiling the relationship with some customer. Holi is the time that you go and say sorry to all of them, because by saying sorry, you're not accepting any mistake. This is the time of the year where you just go and say sorry, customer, let's become friends once again and let's move on. If you observe, in all these festivals of Indian calendar, there is something for the salesman to do. And across the year, every month there is a full moon day. And on a full moon day, I normally do all my monthly incentive program distribution, monthly party. This is the full moon day where, as a salesman, I want to stay out right under the moon, right under the special effects of moon, where all the moon rays are falling on you. So do a night party on every full moon day. Call all your sales team and enjoy with them, because full moon is the day to have a late night. So if you see, friends, this Indian calendar is also knows what a salesman is supposed to do, and if you follow this, I'm sure you would have done all the karmas of sales. Because if you fulfill all your karmas of sales, there is no way you will not be successful in sales. So next time you are celebrating a function in the year, you are celebrating a festival, understand that there is a role that you have to play as a salesman in that festival, and remember, you have to give it back to society. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel, share it with as many salespeople as you can, because as salespeople, we need to enjoy all the festivals in the right perspective. For now, bye-bye.